Okay, so please come back. So, since you understand the difference between assets and expenses, so remember, you buy the car is your assets if they provide you future economic benefit. The car is your expenses. Why is that? Because you use it as a gift. You try to promote your companies. So that's your expenses, okay? So what's expenses? No future economic benefit. You use it only for this time, one time shop, okay? So only this time, no more. So that's your expense. Since you understand the difference between assets and expenses, okay? Right now, we are going to talk about prepaid expenses. Don't forget, what does it mean, prepaid expenses? At the beginning, you spend the money to buy your insurance for 1 year, for example. So that's your 1 year insurance. Okay? 1 year insurance is your assets, right? So what kind of asset it is? Prepaid insurance. Okay? So that's the first day. But don't forget, chapter 3, we talk about the last day. So after 1 month, when you use it, so after you use up your assets, we talk about on the last day. So what happened? Remember, since you use up your assets, so means your assets decrease, right? So first effect is what? Assets decrease. So your prepaid insurance should be decreased. Second effect is what? Since you use up your assets, you don't have future economic benefit, right? So means what? Your expenses incurred. Expenses incurred right here, which account we use about insurance. So we call it insurance expense. Okay? So chapter 1 and 2, we talk about at the beginning, you pay the money. Right now, we talk about after you use it, something changed. So we use journal entry to describe something changed. So this is our adjusting entries right here. We use adjusting entry to describe the situation. 调整分录 to describe what happened. You use your assets. Asset decrease. No future economic benefit. So your expenses increase as well. Any questions? About the last item, we want to talk about prepaid expense. So asset decrease on credit side, right? Expenses increase on your debit side, right? So that's right. Debit, insurance expense. Credit, prepaid insurance. Okay, any questions? Hi, Jonathan. Please move forward. Last 3 rows are not available. Yeah, we mentioned that the first week, right? Any questions? If you don't have any questions, then look at your note on page 22. Page 22. Page 22. Transaction 4. Transaction 4. What happened? I give you some explanation for the question. So what happened? Your company purchased supplies. When? October 1st at the beginning. So this is your first date to buy supplies. Okay? So have we recalled you spend the money to buy the supplies? Yes, we recorded the first date. When? October 5th. So if you look at your journal entry on page 24, page 24, have you recorded? Yes, of course, because, oh, here we didn't pay the money, sorry, because here told you, here didn't told you? Okay, the question told you haven't paid. So sorry, on this page 24. So page 24, have you recorded? Surprise, where is the surprise? Here. So we recorded in chapter 2 already. October 5th. So this is your transaction 4. So October 5th, we record already. So you buy the supplies, how many? $2,500. What's the problem? The problem is after 1 month, it's not the number anymore after 1 month. So what's the correct number after 1 month? Transaction 4 told you. Correct number is, did you find out? October 31st, on the last day. How many supplies you still have? 1,000 supplies are still on hand. So you still have only 1,000 supplies. Okay, so what does it mean? Beginning October 5th, you have supplies 2,500. Right now, October 31st, supplies have only 1,000. So what happened? You used up supplies, right? How much? 1,500, right? Right? What happened? Beginning 2,500. Right now, I have only 1,000. So we have to tell them the number should be 1,000 right now. So you use up 1,500. You have to tell them these kind of situations. So we use adjusting entry to tell them these kind of things. So use adjusting entry. 调整分录 to describe the situation. Okay? So that's for transaction 4 and 5. So please finish transaction 4 and 5. Totally the same situations. And don't forget, after you finish transaction 4 and 5, record it on your 2 accounting books, journal and T account. So journal on your page 24. T account on your page 25 and 26. So please practice it. Practice it now by yourself for transaction 4 and 5. And we've done all the transactions already. If done, that's transaction 4. What happened? You use your surprise 1,500, right? So of course your surprise asset decrease 1,500. Asset use up means your expenses incurred happened. Okay, asset decrease. Why is that? Because you use up your surprise. So of course, your asset surprise will be decreased. Don't forget, asset decrease means your expenses increase. Why? Because you don't have future economic benefits. So assets decrease means what? Your expenses increase because you don't have future economic benefit anymore. Please use the same logic for your transaction 5. Totally the same for your transaction 5. So what happened for your transaction 5? Transaction 5, what happened? October 4th, you buy 1 year insurance. Okay, 1 year insurance. Will they have a future economic benefit? Of course, 1 year. So October 4th, you buy prepaid insurance. 1 year, of course. That's your assets. So you have assets 1 year. Have you recorded it yet? Yeah, of course. We record it when? October 4th. We record it already. You can double check your journal. Have we recorded October 4th? Yes, we did, right? So October 4th, we record the transaction already for 1 year. So this is your transaction 5. At the beginning, we pay the money, $600 to buy the insurance. What happened right now? Today is October 31st. So what happened? October 4th, you have insurance for 1 year. But remember, where are we right now? We are on the last day, October 30. So what does that mean? After 1 month, you used insurance 1 month, right? So you have to tell them you used insurance 1 month. So you have to tell them you use the insurance 1 month. 1 month, how much? $600 for 1 year. So 1 month divided by 12, right? So I note 1 month, $50. So 1 month, $50. Okay? So what happened? Insurance decreased 1 month because you use up already. Also, asset use up, no future economic benefit. So what's that? That's your expense. So what happened? Prepay insurance decrease 1 month, 1 year, 1 month, $50. So here told me my insurance decrease 1 month. Why? Because you use it already, right? Since you use your assets, at the same time means what? Expenses increase 1 month, right? So that's why your insurance expenses increase 1 month. Why? Because use up, assets decrease. Asset decrease, no future economic benefit. So means what? Expenses increase as well. Any questions? So please write down on your first accounting book journal, post to your second accounting book T account. Please finish it because totally we need the data to do the following things. Also prepare your financial statements. So if you don't have the complete data, you cannot do the following steps. So please finish it. I give you 5 minutes more. Finish the transactions, please. Journal. We have totally the transaction from chapter 2 and transaction from chapter 3. So did you find out on your page 24? Page 24, we have the transactions. So these transactions from your chapter 2, right? Don't forget what we are going to do, chapter 3. Chapter 3, we focus on last day. So did you find out the date is on last day? Why? We try to finish the 10% transactions. So we base on last day. Did you find out? So last day we try to complete the 10% transactions in your chapter 3. Okay, so from your page 24, finally we got 100% correct. We record all the transactions. So you should get 100% correct of data. We are going to use the data to prepare our financial statements. Don't forget, accounting, our only one accounting output is prepare financial statements. So make sure you got the correct numbers so far. So you should understand what are we doing today. Trying to get the 10% transactions. After record the transaction on first accounting book right here, page 24. Don't forget, post the data to your second accounting book T account on page 24 and 25. Page 25 and 26. Are you done? Finish it? If you finish 2 accounting books, page 24 and page 25 and 26, are you sure you got the correct number? Remember how we double check you got the correct numbers. Prepare trial balance. Always trial balance, we use it to double check all the numbers. So we prepare trial balance again right now to do the second double check. Okay? So on your slide, page 103. On your slide, page 103. If you want to look at the note, it's on your note, page 10, page 10. Page 10 on your note or slide on your page 103. Always accounting how we do the double check. To make sure you got the correct number, we prepare trial balance 试算表 to double check it. Right here, the second double check, second trial balance, we call it adjusted trial balance. 调整后试算表. So what does it mean? Our second trial balance after adjusting entries. Okay? So it means after adjusting entries. We do the second time double check. (调整后试算表 is our second trial balance. We do the second time double check after adjusting entries. Okay? Then how? Totally the same as your first trial balance, totally the same. So please copy your second book's number. So copy your second book T account's number to your trial balance. And to see whether total debit equal to total credit, totally the same. So copy your numbers from T account, okay? Then you can find out whether you got correct number or not. So please look at page 24 and page 25. Finish your page 22nd, page 27. So please look at page 25, your second book, right? Your second book T account, page 25 and 26. Use that to finish your second trial balance on page 27. So page 27 is your second trial balance. Adjusted trial balance. This is your second trial balance. After adjusting entries. Okay? Then what should you do? Just copy the number from T account. Totally the same as before. T account on your page 25 and page 26. So copy the amounts and accounts. Okay? And to see whether total debit equal to total credit. Okay? So you have to find out whether these two numbers are the same or not. Okay? Finish it. Let me check. You can take a break. So after we got the numbers right here, there's 100% transactions. Then we are going to use that data to prepare our full financial statements. So you have to understand, we do all of these kind of things in order to get 100% the amount transactions. Then after that, we are going to use the number right here to prepare our full financial statements. Okay? If you finish, you can take a break, come back next hour. So this is the final result. So make sure we use it to double check. Okay, we got a total debit equal to total credit. So we have a totally 100% transactions. And remember, we are going to use it to prepare our full financial statements. So if you got a number, take a break. Later on, we'll use that to prepare our full financial statements. That's our final result. That's our purpose, to use that, prepare full financial statements. And investors, creditors could look at your financial statement to figure out you are good apple or bad apple. Any questions, please let me know. So finish it, got a number, you can take a break.